Okay, quick exercise. It'll help your pinky get stronger and also helps your spread on the length from the first fret to the fourth fret. Okay, you want to start off slow. This exercise also helps your alternative picking, your up and down strokes. So we start with the first fret, and then we're just going to use our pinky. So we're just going to go from the first fret to the fourth fret. Okay, down, up, and then down, up. And then we're going to move it down to the third string, and then to the fourth string. Okay. Okay, so it should feel very natural up and down. Okay, always start slow. Now once you have that pretty solid, that means you can play it without messing up too much, or not slop it up. You can play it. Okay, so now we're going to go in reverse. So we're going to go, so for me, I find going in reverse is a little bit more difficult. So we're going to go down, up. Okay, so we're going to start off on the fourth string, and it's 4 and then 7, down, up. Okay, then we're going to move it to the third string. This is going to be 3rd and 6. Okay. Okay, the way we're doing it is we're striking that 7 first. Okay, 7, 4, and then 6, 3, and then we're going to go up to the fifth string. It's going to be 5, 2. Okay, and then finally at the sixth string, which is going to be 4, 1. So okay, and you want to do that with the palm mute. Okay, because if you were doing it, you can also do it loose, but it doesn't sound the same. But you can practice it like that as well. It's up to you. I like doing the palm mute because it really helps you get your palm muting and your alternate picking down as best as possible. Okay, let me know if that's helpful to you, and I can get some tap for you if you would like. I'll see you in the next one.